Shape our data means any large number or any size of the data, their dimension or the features can be reduced, and using correlation analysis we can find the statistics of the data such that finding a independent relations between the two value and finding the coefficient p value, so and so we can have the statistical data for a particular data set. Not only that, we can transform the data by you finding some aggregate, sort, filter, and join the data. If any of the data is missing in the data set, we can clean the data and we can extract or select a particular features. So here we can use any kind of models. So Navy base, support vector machine, neural network, any. So here we have listed some of the thing: bagging, boosting, stacking. So any model can be applied to this, and we can find validate those model, and we can find the performance metric, confusion matrix, so on. So we can find it with the help of this 9. Not only that, through this workflow component, so these are all the workflow component which help us to validate the data. And we have so many prototypes for this workflow, and we need to follow those things by having a connection between the two workflow component. Therefore we can find the performance of any data set, and also we can exercise those database processing which help us to increase the computation performance. So various areas such as Apache Spark, we can integrate the 9 tool with those people.